Hey, punch me in the stomach.
What?
Real quick, jab, jab. Not too hard, just enough to cause a little internal bleeding.
That sounds pretty hard.
Yeah, true. Plus, internal bleeding is internal, which means it can't be proven. And unless my mother sees blood, there's no way she's gonna let you take me to the hospital. You're right. You're gonna have to punch me in the face, real quick. Jab, jab.
I am not going to punch you in the face.
Why? I'll heal. And I'd much rather spend the night in the Germy emergency room getting 8 to 10 stitches than go in there for dinner. Plus, it'll give me a really groovy scar. I've always wanted a really groovy scar.
Mom.
What? It'd be such a great conversation piece. Where'd you get that groovy scar? Oh, my daughter drop kicked me for no apparent reason. She's totally psycho.
Oh, so now I'm drop kicking you.
Giving you options. You didn't like the whole jab jab thing.
We haven't had dinner with them in 3 weeks. Suck it up. We're going in.
Hey, you didn't even make it through the last dinner, which means technically you've had 4 weeks, which means you owe me one.
I stayed for cocktail hour.
That's the best part.
Well, I can't help that it's at the beginning.
Okay, fine. Then you stay through dessert, and I'll leave early to go spend time with Logan.
Oh, I miss Logan.
Yeah, me too. Let's go somewhere and talk about him for 4 or 5 hours.
We're going
No,
inside.
it's gonna be horrible.
They're always horrible.
No, it's gonna be horribler because of the whole Luke thing.
Well, doesn't Grandma already kind of know because of the whole house debacle?
No, she suspects, but she doesn't know. No, I'm gonna have to tell them.
Well, just tell them real quick, like ripping a Band-Aid off.
Like ripping a Band-Aid off that's been superglued, stapled, and surgically embedded in my arm.
Just tell them, and then we can move on. We can talk about more pleasant things, like the Middle East.
I don't know how they're gonna come at me, you know? I mean, I know they're gonna come at me, but I don't know how. I mean, it could be guilt, pity, anger, contempt. They have so many options.
Well, in all likelihood, it'll be a combination of all of those.
Ugh, I don't want the whole night to be about Luke.
It won't be. Don't worry. Just put it out there, and then when they attack you, whatever angle they're coming from, I will deflect.
How will you deflect?
Well, I don't know. Maybe I will talk about Bangalore.
You know a lot about Bangalore?
Don't you? Bangalore? Outsourcing? You know when you call customer service, you're almost always talking to some nice dude in India who speaks perfect English. Don't you read Time magazine?
It doesn't seem like a rich subject area.
Yeah.
No, oh, I know. You tell them you're converting to Judaism, and that'll throw the whole Friday night dinner thing in jeopardy.
There you go.